That's how you use the entry.get method from Python to pull information from an entry bar. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and today we're going to be building a Tkinter GUI tip calculator using the entry get method. That's something we have not seen before. So here's the final product, and we'll go from there. But the whole premise of this is we're going to take in a meal price, then hit enter, and then we're going to have some labels show up. So we got some calculations, and we've done something like this before, but we had this expression be built. But this way, it goes and grabs all of this information once we press enter, and then spits out these labels. So right here, we've never seen this where a label pops up. So we're going to be blending and blurring everything we've done before. So let's just jump into it. So okay, we're gonna do this a little piecemeally. So we know about our Tkinter, aliasing it TK and then bringing in TTK. And that's why if you're new here, this is so important that you're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell, because we do videos one at a time and we build upon them. So today's video only has one subject that is brand new. Everything else in here we've done before. So let's just go ahead and get this in here. So we know how to create a window, title it, size it, and then put it to the screen. So here we go. Let's peek at this. So here we go. TipCal, close this out. So what was that first one that we had? Let's come back over here. It was enterprise. So let's think about this. We have 1, 2, 3, and then 3 labels. So we have 6 things we need to create, and there's a little bit more to that, but let's just go ahead and jump into it. So here's our first label, and that is our label at the top, right? So then we need to pack it. Let's put this down here. All right, so we're doing this one at a time. Boom, there we go. So now we need our entry bar, right? And we know how to do that. If you're new here, just go back, search Tkinters. You can see it on the playlist. You can search entry widget. All this pops up. But the premise is this is Tkinter. This is our win object. And then we've created the new object. And this is where this is going to come from. So, okay, now we need to pack that, right? So, boom. Now, I could have these in any order. To remind you, this is the only way that matters. So I could have these up here in any sort of fashion. When you use pack, that's the order that they show up on the screen. So boom, now we have them in order. Now we have things that are showing up a little bit different. So we need some string vars because those change, right? So now we learned about text variable inside our entry bar, and we fed it back in when we used our calculator. So we're going to use the same concept with a label. That's why there wasn't anything that appeared first, and then when we enter 2357, then we hit enter, boom, we have our label show up. Same concept. We're going to use the string var and then the text variable attribute. So here we go. So now let's create our labels. All right, so then these pull up just like I alluded to. So here we are, and we're getting closer and closer. Now I need to pack them. So I have my button. Oh, I need to make my button. Don't have my button yet. There we go. So then let's just go ahead and pack the rest of these. Okay, here we go. Let's bring this up so we can see everything, and then we need to add our functionality. So I've already hinted and shown you that my function is going to be press. Actually, I need to close that out. It's going to say, there. There we go. I got everything so far. Now I need to create my function, my press function. Okay. Def.press. And how we're going to do this is we're just going to have, I could just have this all go through, but we're going to do this clean and clear. Calculation 1. I could have just had variations to go through, but we're going to make 3 separate variables and then go from there. So it's clean and clear and simple to get. So we're taking in a number, which could be, so it's dollars and cents. So it's going to have a float, right? That's important. Then we want to round because you're not going to pay to a millionth of a cent, right? So we need round first. Round. So it was a float. And then here's the magic of entry.get. That's simple. So now we do math. 0.2, 2. Okay, calculation 2. And we're just going to do the same thing. And calculation 3, 3, and paste. And this is 10%, and the one above it was 15. And then now we can undo this and undo this. So our command comes in, and boom, boom, boom. Let's check and see where we are. And here we go. Let's check our program. Boom. Oops. Aha. I left out a step. So then we need to set our price, our string vars. 1.set. And I'm just going to put these in a string. 20% tip. Format. Then calculation 1, and then price 2, set 15% tip, format, cal 2, close, and price underscore 3, not set, and then 10%. Tip, open, close, and format, not format, but format, and then cal underscore 3. All right, let's triple check this again to see how I did. All right, 2357. And then there we go. So there we are. And oops. Is that all right? Let me check my math. Let me check this one. I know this works. 2357. And cool. All right. So there we go. That's how you pull. That's how you use the entry.get method from Python to pull information from an entry bar and do whatever information, whatever calculation, inputting information for you. So there we go, guys. Thanks for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.